Hello and welcome to Nifty Trader. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ugly truths of the stock market. Let's begin. Over 90% of the people lose money in the stock market. Here's the deal. Most of the people I see start investing in the stock market without any proper analysis. The simple reason behind this is that people don't want to put in any effort in understanding how stock market works. Investing is a skill. Have a look at this chart. This chart shows the net worth of Warren Buffett from the age of 14 to 89. This is as specific as it gets. You can't earn in the stock market if you are not willing to invest your time and effort in learning the art of investing. If you're just here to make a quick buck, this game is not for you. Don't believe me? Hear it from the man who coined the term value investing. In short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine. No one knows what is going to happen in the stock market. Infibeam is a company listed on the National Stock Exchange. The company lost 70% of its stock value in just 1 year. The reason behind it was a WhatsApp message. Yes, you heard me right. A WhatsApp message that was circulating among traders raised concerns about e-commerce companies' accounting practices, and the stock price fell by 71%. Always remember this. If one person is selling a stock, the other is buying, and they both think that they are right. As Peter Lynch says, know what you own and why you own it. Stock market is run by fear and greed. The prime reason why most people fail in the stock market is because they enter it when they see buzz around a stock. The greed drives a lot of people in the stock market, and it is greed that burns them. Another reason is when people start selling because they see other people selling. The fear drives them out of the stock market, and the circle of fear and greed goes on and on and on. In order to be a successful investor, you need to break the cycle. This point is best summed by Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham says, the intelligent investor is a realist who sells to optimists and buys from pessimists. Emotions have no place in the stock market. If you are an emotional person, the stock market is not for you. Don't get me wrong here. What I'm trying to say is that you cannot be attached to a stock. No matter what returns it has given you in the past, you have to rely on the present situation. Investing requires discipline. Here's what Peter Lynch has to say about the role of emotions in the stock market. The trick is not to learn to trust your gut feelings, but rather to discipline yourself to ignore them. Stand by your stocks as long as the fundamental story of the company hasn't changed. Blue chip stock can turn into penny stocks in no time. Here is a list of all the stocks that went from hero to zero. Go ahead, pause the video, give it a read, take a screenshot. Now that you have done it, write it down, memorize it, tell this to yourself before you buy any stock, that everything is possible in the stock market. Stock markets are risky, but successful investing is not about avoiding risk, but managing it. What makes these investors great? Is it the stocks they pick? Or is it the money they made from these stocks? These things may make them famous or followed, but what makes them great is discipline and seriousness they have towards the art of investing. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Tell me in the comments what do you think are some of the most ugly truths about stock market. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We post weekly stock market updates on this channel. And as always, thanks for watching.